Hi friends, I wrote this program to fade in fade out an LED. So here I'm doing the project with the Raspberry Pi 3B Plus. It's an advanced version of Raspberry Pi 3. So here I've used two packages. One is Raspberry Pi GPIO package to access the GPIO pins, and I have used time package to set the delay timings between fade-ins and fade-outs. And initially I have set the mode for GPIO board pins, and after that I have selected 12th pin as output pin. 12th pin is a pulse width modulation pin, which is used to switch on switch off the LED with pulse width modulation. So here the pulse width modulation is set to 50% high and 50% low. And next, so this is here where I have set the pulse width, the width of pulse, and here I have start with the pulse width modulation with start, and we can stop pulse width modulation with stop function. So here I'm doing the functional operation for 5 times. So the outer loop, that is there's a range of 5. So this for loop I have used to run the program for 5 times, and this loop here I have used to change the duty cycles from 0 to 19. So I will start from 0 and up to 19, and the duty cycle will vary from 0 to 19, and between each duty cycle, between each variation, it will wait for 0.1 second, and after that it will go low from 20 to 1, and from high to low. So it will start from 20 and it will go up to 1. So the duty cycle will go from 20 to 1, and between each duty cycle variations, the sleeping time I have set here 0.1. So here one time it is the LED will slowly go from 0 to 19, and here it will go down from 20 to 1, and here each variation is of step size -1, and the variations are the time gap between each duty cycle variations is set at 0.1 second. Okay, so this is the overall program is developed to fade in and fade out an LED. So it will slowly it will light up the LED, and slowly it will light up the LED with pulse width modulation. So here there are different pins available with the Raspberry Pi 3B Plus. So here I have used 12th pin for pulse width modulation. Okay, so the rest of the GPIO pins only can switch on and switch off LEDs. Okay, and these two loops, this loop is for fade in and this loop is for fade out, and these two are continuously processed for 5 times. So here this is our hardware. So this is our Raspberry Pi. In Raspberry Pi, the third pin I have used it for ground, and 12th pin I have used it for pulse width modulation. So here it is connected with our LED. Okay, the switch is for a different purpose, so here I have not used this switch, so please neglect the switch, students. So here this is the light, the white color is coming from the ground pin, that is the third pin, so that is connected to negative of the LED, and here the pulse width modulation is coming, that's purple color, so that is the 12th pin is connected to the positive line via a resistor. So the resistor I have used here to protect the LED from fluctuations in the current. So it's always preferred to use a resistor to protect the output devices. So now so this is our hardware circuit, and now we'll see the execution. So here I'm running the program. So now you can see So it is fading in, full fade and fade out, and again going down and going up. Okay, and this will continue for 5 times.